So hey guys, this is Ronnie Barrett M82A1 AWP sniper rifle. So this is the sniper rifle, guys. Air gun, hop up, power, amazing gun, and you can see the looks. It looks amazing. And let me just take you through. इसके अंदर बताया गया है there's a tripod. The barrel can be taken out, put inside, and laser light, every kind of stuff. Basic details इसके बारे में. Here you can see the more basic content, कैसे load कर सकते हैं, कैसे खोल सकते हैं, कैसे assemble कर सकते हैं, and not suitable for children under 3 years and all the basic stuff. So here is the gun. Let me just give you a look. So you can see this is the rifle, a Barrett का copy जो है, and we put this with the magazine. The magazine will go right here. I think it's another way around. It looks, very science fiction type of gun. So it's very okay. Let's see. It will go. I'm sure it will go like this. It takes a little bit of, messing around to figure out क्योंकि बहुत ही अलग डिजाइन में बनाया गया है. And guys, you take this and you install it right away. As I told you, इसका डिजाइन जो है थोड़ा सा इन्होंने अजीब बना रखा है. आई डोंट नो वाई, बट यस इट इज लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, लिटिल बिट जैसे कहते हैं ना पावर रेंजर एंड ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. यू कैन सी देयर इज अ डिटेल एंड एवरीथिंग, अलग अलग कर्व्स, बट या ऑफ कोर्स इट लुक्स गुड. देयर इज अ लेजर राइट हियर एंड अ लाइट एज वेल, एंड जस्ट पुट इट लाइक दिस एंड फायर इट. So you can see this is it, long barrel. If you want, you can just bring out the barrel out, but I won't recommend you doing it. आपको barrel निकालना है, just push it right here and you can just make it a compact, but then I won't recommend you doing it. It's not a good thing to do. And if you want to install tripod, it will give you a good sniper feeling. You can just fire, but then there's no use because there's a light installed here and all. But it's good. It's good for photograph. It's good for videograph. You can keep it at your home and all. So this is it, guys. Let me just take this out. It's a little bit tough, sometimes, because fold it and just so this is it, guys. Let me just pull it out and you just take the stand out, and that's it, guys. That's it. This is the sniper that we have, and I hope you liked it. If you want to buy this gun, just go to our website. It is airsoftgunindia.com and you're going to purchase it right there. Thank you so much, guys. Have fun.